Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Spring AI in Action, written by Crag Walls.
The ability of generative AI's large language models to understand and respond to natural language prompts has transformed human-computer interaction. Tools like GitHub Copilot assist developers, but the real potential lies in creating software that leverages generative AI to provide rich functionality to users, enabling intuitive interactions without traditional constraints. Java developers can now use Spring AI, a framework extension for Spring and Spring Boot, to integrate generative AI capabilities into their applications. This enables current applications to adopt generative AI, allowing Java developers to work with AI in a familiar environment. AI providers like OpenAI, Mistral AI, Gemini from Google Vertex, and Anthropic Claude offer LLMs via REST APIs. Spring AI simplifies interactions with these models by providing a consistent interface, making code portable across different AI providers. Spring AI is a client abstraction that handles prompt requests and responses internally. Starting a Spring AI application is similar to any Spring Boot application, using Spring Boot starter dependencies and auto-configuration. The Spring Initializer can be used to initialize the project. The first application will be a simple REST API that accepts questions and responds with answers using Spring AI. The core service class, Spring AI Board Game Service, interacts with LLMs via a chat client. A Spring MVC controller, Ask Controller, handles post requests to /ask and returns the answers. Spring AI supports multiple AI services, including OpenAI, Amazon Bedrock, Anthropic AI, Azure OpenAI, Google Vertex AI, Hugging Face, IBM watsonx, Minimax, Mistral AI, and Ollama. Each service offers various models with different capabilities, context windows, and pricing. When choosing a model, consider factors like price, context window, training data, and additional capabilities. The choice of model affects the starter dependency added to the build and how credentials and options are configured. Spring AI offers more than simple text generation. It supports creating prompt templates, maintaining chat history, Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, for working with documents, integrating generative AI with application functions, analyzing sentiment, moderating content, summarizing documents, classifying text, and generating images and audio. These capabilities will be explored in the following chapters. If you'd like to see more practical examples of Spring AI summarization, please visit the author's Spring AI examples repository at github.com/habuma/spring-AI-examples.
Get this book at manning.com.